Remember, you might not have to use all of these key points to get your machine working. Always check your on and off switch again. Your throttle butterfly isn't open enough, then it's hard to start. Is the choke stuck open? I'd just make sure that the spark plug cap was pushed down enough. Make sure there's a good spark. If not, I'd replace the spark plug. I'd have a look at the fuel pipes. I'd make sure there was no leaks and have a look at the air filter. Take the fuel filter out and just check that that isn't blocked. Check the fuel itself. If it smells a little bit stale, then we do need to replace it. Now, the exhaust can get blocked. Carbon can build up inside the exhaust. And whilst I've got the exhaust off, I will look inside the exhaust port just to make sure that there's no scoring marks or any wearing marks on the piston. If the crankshaft bearings are no good, then neither will be the crank seals, and it will not run if the crank seals aren't holding pressure.